When changing two parts at once, it would sometimes be helpful to have a third hand. This is exactly why QwikLOK invented its signature third hand mechanism. Load and unload your parts 1/2 turn at a time, enabling you to seat and locate each part independently, while still clamping two parts with only one turn. Before we begin setting the third hand, we should make sure the mechanism is set. Remove the jaws and cover plate to access the third hand screw. When the third hand is not set, the towers of the slide assembly will move simultaneously. Placing a finger on one tower provides enough resistance to prevent the tower from moving. When you tighten the third hand, you are lowering the plunger. Position the slide assembly such that the back of the rear slide assembly tower aligns with the front of the rear locating bushing. Using a T-wrench, tighten the third hand screw. Please note, this third hand mechanism is not meant to fix a movable jaw. It is spring-loaded to provide just enough resistance to load two parts, one at a time. Reassemble your QwikLOK. Ensuring the handle and rear seal plugs are in the proper location, position the cover plate and locating bushing plugs. Snap on the movable jaws and secure the center fixed jaw. For detailed instructions, refer to the QwikLOK assembly video. When closing the jaws all the way, the front movable jaw will close first. As the rear movable jaw closes, you will notice more resistance. This is due to the third hand mechanism. Open the jaws. The rear movable jaw will open slightly, releasing the retaining spring of the third hand. Then the front jaw will begin to open. Before it opens all the way, hold your part up against the location stops in the rear portion of the center fixed jaw. Once the front jaw opens all the way, the rear jaw will begin to move again. Continue opening the rear jaw until the part is seated. Give the handle an extra 1/2 turn or more for ease of part change. That's it! You have set the third hand. To load parts, place the part closest to the handle first. Give the handle 1/2 turn, then place the rear part, and finish turning until both parts are clamped. Unload parts in the reverse order. Turn the handle 1/2 turn to release the rear part first. Then finish turning to release the handle part last. It may help to remember handle part in, rear part out. For additional information, visit QwikWorkholding.com or call 724-772-1644.